Do you want the best lawn on the block and one that's going to make your neighbors jealous? Well, we have two new products that are designed to make that happen. Core 24612 and Core 12812. Today we're going to break them down, show you how and when to use them, and give you a simple lawn care routine that you can count on. First up, we have Core 24612. We designed it to be an all-purpose fertilizer with the perfect 4:1:2 ratio, so there's no guesswork. It contains the ideal amount of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that your lawn needs. It includes micronutrients with iron for that deep, eye-catching green color. And the best part is that it has slow-release and quick-release nitrogen for immediate feeding and extended feeding up to 6 weeks. You can apply Core 24612 anytime during the growing season, and it's great for all turf types. Now let's talk about Core 12812. This product is built for quick results, so think green up in as little as 1 week. It's an all quick release nitrogen formula made with ammonium sulfate, which is the quickest of the quick releases, so your lawn will get immediate nutrition. It includes micronutrients and 2% iron for rich color. Use Core 12812 when your lawn needs a fast pick-me-up, especially in the cooler temperatures of spring and fall. Standard consumer fertilizer granules are 60% larger than the granule size that we use in the Core products. The pros prefer to use smaller granules because it provides a more even and uniform coverage, boosting the product's effectiveness. Now let's talk routine. In the spring, break out your Core 12812. This will give your lawn a jump start in the cool temperatures of early spring. In the summer, switch on over to the Core 24612. This will power your lawn through summer stress with fewer applications and extended feeding. Be careful, applying too much fertilizer in the heat of the summer increases your risk for fertilizer burn, so that's why we recommend you use Core 24612 with its slow-release nitrogen in the summer. Now for the cooler temperatures in the fall, switch back to the Core 12812. It's quick nutrients, an easy application, and a strong finish to the season. It's a simple, easy, and effective way to watch your lawn thrive. Here are a few pro tips for applying these products. Check the forecast. Avoid applying before heavy rainfall so particles don't get washed away. Mow first. Clear any lawn debris and make it easier for particles to reach the soil. Clean up. Sweep or blow product off the driveways and sidewalks back into the lawn. Water deep. Your lawn will need at least a 1/4 inch of water. Core 24612 and Core 12812 are available now. For more information and to shop these products, visit andersonslawn.com.